Truth. Somebody gotta teach it. It's a world of deception out here. It look like we have to turn to nature. It's only our real true teachers. The sun is where we get all our information from. Our skin is the receiver. Our eyes the projector and the receiver. The mind is the mediator. Our physical body is not ours. It belongs to the spiritual. The philosopher's stone is when you manifest both and make them one. This is our job. Using light. I was ordained to bring y'all this message. It's time to take the children of Isis Ra'el and show them who they really is. Endow them with their gift and powers to take them to the next level. It's the start of the new millennium, the Aquarian age. And I am the water, the tears of the weeping God. You could call them Tammuz, Ra, Jesus, Serapis. It's the power to see, the power to hear, unveiling of the mysteries, the return of the Lamb. There's nothing wrong with my skin, it's how it projects. If you look in it carefully, you can see images. It's how it works, the subtle energy of our ancestors. They codified the Holy Spirit. Before that, it was the elixir. This elixir is passed down to us from mad entities. They call them the elementals: fire, earth, air, water. They all come together, form this light. This light under compression, it forms every and anything in existence, not just the whole universe. Because we have multi-universe, multiple, inside of us and outside of us. But we can take this light and manipulate it once you become one with spirit. And that's me in the middle, in the center, but I can project. And my thoughts inside the magnetic field of light now resonate. And it actually builds images. This is our reality, how it came about. This is also how crystals, diamonds, rocks, rubies, everything came about. It's just a process of frequencies, densities, pressures and dimension, color, vibration and sound. So we could take these and rock them back and forth and play with them, because that's how we came. Just as we started in the light, we're going to return to the light. It's just like as we borrow, we have to give. That's me still in the middle, you can see. And when this light now, we compress it with our body, it breaks up like if you had a prism or a triangle. And the light now, it all of a sudden have entities and spirit in it. It manifests, it influences us. And you can see sometimes it's showing in my eyes. You know, a lot of people think there's a thing called reptilian, but it's not. It's a black man under the influence of the sun. Now our eyes become more reflective. It's the eyes of truth. These is the eyes that they don't want you to see, but it's the eyes the Egyptians symbolize so much. And they need you to understand who you are. You are the children of the sun. And when you do have your eyes incorrect, you build up a magnetic field around your body that sometimes it just make things resonate in frequencies that have lines distorted. It also distort the frequency of the light. We can bend light and separate them into their proper frequencies. It's also how our ancestors communicate with us. You have to learn how to ride them. It's the Egyptian snake. And your eyes is the staff. And you must connect. That's the cosmic internet that they have in the pictures. It's coming close to the end of this video now. But before I go, my sponsors want me to just let this video ride out so they can show themselves to see who I'm endorsed by. It's the powers of the ancestors. This is nature science. This is just an intro. showing some magic. The science behind magic is magic only comes from higher places, God. And being that it only comes from God, it's nature science. It's also called alchemy. It not only work in atmosphere, it also work inside your body. It's up to you to connect, but as you can see how the face in the cloud now manifested, it's showing love. Love to me and to you. This is the start of the new science, University of Conscious Science. We're going to learn Egyptian wisdom in the Meta Nature, not through the Egyptians or not through the Meta Nature, but everybody else, because everybody learned from Egypt. All knowledge and wisdom came out of Egypt, and thus by reading their knowledge, we'll be able to track it down to its original knowledge and source and learn more about our ancestors. University of Conscious Science. Peace and love.